So once again, welcome to the next part of physics, chapter 2 of grade 10th. So today's concept is electric motor. Now, what is a motor? First of all, we people must know about that. So, but I don't want to waste much time. A motor is any device which converts electrical energy, electrical energy into mechanical energy. You might have seen in your houses even any fan, in that fan, or any motor means anything, whether it is in fan or in washing machine or anywhere. What you people are doing exactly, you are giving electrical energy to that fan, and that electrical energy is being converted into mechanical energy, and just because of that mechanical energy your fan is being started working there. Similarly, any motor works just on this principle. Any electric motor means your house's motors, which you are having for bringing the water from the deep earth into your water tanks at your homes, that also do the same thing. Just electric energy has been converted into mechanical energy. But how? That is a big question. If you had followed my previous video, you might have heard the concept which I have explained there. Actually, the concept was that whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, if you have seen my previous video, whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences some force. So it experiences some force. Now that is been over here. I repeat my words. This is exactly the principle of electric motor. That how electric motor works, that is on this principle. So this is exactly the principle of electric motor, whatever we have studied in the previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, go to that first please. That whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, it got a kick or it got a force. So that is what the principle of electric motor. Now what is that now? Just come to this. So firstly, I'll go for construction of electric motor. Actually, this is a U-shaped magnet. This is a U-shaped magnet. I haven't shown fully exactly. So this is a U-shaped magnet in which this is the north pole of the magnet. This is the south pole of the magnet, and magnetic field lines are going from north towards south. Now this is the conductor ABCD. This rectangular coil is the conductor. So this ABCD is a conductor. Okay, and downside the conductor is being connected with split rings. These are split rings. What we call them as split. Split means broken from inside, so have the name from here. Split rings. Okay, and the other name for the split ring is commutator. So one of the very important question, that what is the function of split rings or commutator, that I'll come to that concept after a while, once we will understand the working of this and everything. And after that, the two brushes P and Q, these are carbon brushes. So they are actually not attached with these split rings, they are just in touch with these split rings, like this way they are in just in touch with split rings. So when your split rings will move like this, if my this finger is the one part of split ring, just this part for example, so and this is the carbon brush, so it is in just touch, means your split rings can move around, and this will P and Q, they are in just touch with these split rings, and then this P is been connected to a cell or a battery, you can say. So this is exactly a combination of two cells. So this is a battery, one is positive and the other one is negative. So these are connected over here, and this is one way key, or you may call in 10th a switch there. So this is what the construction of an electric motor. And of course the principle which you must learn from my previous video, that whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it will experience some force. So this is the principle, and let's move on to the next video for the working of electric motor. Thank you.